In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to research stocks using ChatGPT with simple prompts. Let's dive right into it and discover how you can leverage this powerful AI tool for your stock analysis. First, you'll want to get started by opening up a browser and heading to Google. This step is pretty straightforward, but it sets the stage for our journey into AI-assisted stock research. Once you've loaded Google, type ChatGPT into the search bar. This will guide you to the resources we need, and it's crucial for accessing the ChatGPT website where all the magic happens. After hitting enter, the first search results should prominently feature the official ChatGPT webpage. Clicking on this link will direct you to the ChatGPT environment. It's a good idea to ensure you're on the legitimate website, so double-check the URL to avoid any phishing sites masquerading as ChatGPT, which can be a common issue with popular sites. With the ChatGPT website open, you're ready to embark on your research. Here's where you harness the power of AI by typing in your prompt. For today's example, let's use "Give me a SWOT analysis and explain the business model of Tesla Inc. Compare Tesla Inc. to other companies." This prompt is quite versatile, giving you a broad overview of Tesla's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, along with a comparative look at its business model alongside other industry players. This step can be tailored to your specific interests. Whether you're looking into a particular market sector or another company, you can adjust the prompt accordingly. The nuances of your inquiry dictate the depth and scope of the AI's response, so don't hesitate to get detailed. Once you've crafted your prompt, simply click on the Submit button. This action triggers ChatGPT to process your request and provide an insightful reply. The generated response from ChatGPT will give you a substantial amount of information laid out in an easy-to-follow manner, covering different aspects like SWOT analysis and market comparisons you asked for. It's amazing how quickly you can gather extensive information this way. Remember, though, the information provided by ChatGPT should be one of the many tools you use in your research toolbox. It's always a good idea to validate the AI's insights with other reliable sources and market data to ensure a well-rounded view of the stock you're investigating. There you have it. By following these steps, you've used ChatGPT to dig deep into stock research with ease. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT can truly enhance your research capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!